Hello everyone, this is MECH 314 with Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. This is lab 7.2 and this is measuring temperature with a thermistor, myDAQ, and LabVIEW. What we're told to do is construct a DAQ for temperature measurement following that link, which I'll show in just a minute. It says we're supposed to test the temperature measurement DAQ. And we're supposed to place a pan out of ice water on the stove and then hold the thermistor in there while it gets hotter and hotter. Unfortunately for me, I have a PC. I'm not on a laptop, so I can't get over to there. However, I've improvised and I have a cup of hot water and a cup of cold water. And then after we do that, we're supposed to add functionality to the VI. So we're supposed to add an LED light to it that will illuminate between 70 and 100 degrees Celsius. So right here is the block diagram. I'll show the entirety of it. And we start off with the DAQ. We're supposed to acquire the digital multimeter resistance measurement. And then that goes through an entire series of operations here. And then the output will be the temperature in Kelvin, the temperature in Celsius, and the temperature chart. And what this order of operations is doing here is converting resistance to temperature. I've added in the light already. What I've done is put in a minimum and maximum. So the maximum being 101, the minimum being 70. And I suppose I should put that to a 100. Go ahead and change that really quickly. That's a 100. So over here is the front diagram, or the front panel, excuse me. That has the chart on it, the light, the temperature in Kelvin and in Celsius. And what I've done here is on these test leads, I've connected the thermistor in between the two. So I'm going to dip it inside of this cold water now, and we can watch the temperature drop right there. So we're at 21 and we just significantly dropped down to 2. That seems to be going lower. There we go. It's dropped all the way down. So now what we'll do is take this over to the hot water, and we'll see if we can get it to go all the way up to 70, where the light will cut on. And unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it up over 100 to cut it off. However, it is maintaining around 70 degrees. You can see the chart, how drastically it changed. That seems to be the point where it's stabilizing, is around 70 degrees Celsius. And that is how I got all of this lab to work. It's through that LabVIEW code, that front panel, my cups of water, and that thermistor being tied in between the test leads.